Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to remove the Continue Shopping button that you and your clients or your visitors are going to find within the checkout and also the cart. Now, this may sound like a small tweak, but trust me, it can make a big difference to your store's conversion rate. Let me explain why. Quick explanation. The Continue Shopping button often takes users away from the checkout page, which can distract them and reduce completed purchases. By removing it, we're encouraging customers to stay focused on completing their checkout, helping you increase your sales and reduce abandoned carts. So, let's jump right in and see how you can do this step by step. Step 1. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard. First, we'll head over to the Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look at the left side of the screen and click on Online Store. Step 2. Go to your theme settings. Now we're inside the Online Store section. Head over to Themes and select your current theme. It's the one that has the green live tag next to it. Click on the 3 dots. Next to your active theme, then select Edit Default Theme Content. Step 3. Search for Continue Shopping. Once you're in the Theme Content Editor, you'll notice a search or filter bar at the top. Click on it and type the word Continue Shopping, just like that. Boom! Shopify will show you all the text fields that contain that phrase. You might see things like Checkout System, Thank You, Return to Store Link, Label, Checkout General, Continue Button, Label, and other related phrases. Step 4. Identify and edit the correct field. Now, we only want to modify the Continue Shopping text, not anything related to Continue to Shipping or Continue to Payment. Those are essential checkout buttons, so don't touch those. Scroll until you find the field labeled Continue Shopping or Return to Store. If you want to hide this button completely, simply delete the text inside that field or replace it with a period or blank space. When you remove or empty the content here, Shopify will automatically hide that button from your store. Let's do a quick check. Go ahead and refresh your checkout or cart page. If everything is done correctly, you'll notice that the Continue Shopping button has disappeared clean and simple. If you still see it, clear your cache or double-check that you edited the right theme text field. If you ever want to bring the button back, no worries, just go back to the same section and retype Continue Shopping in that field. Shopify will display it again automatically. And that's it for today's video. We've just learned how to remove the Continue Shopping button in Shopify, a small but powerful optimization that helps customers stay on the path to purchase. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next Shopify tips and tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and happy selling.